Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install Kopia on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you'll be ready to start creating backups.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating the packages, download the repository gpg and add the repository using the following command. Update your package list and install Kopia using these commands. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Check the installed version to make sure everything was installed correctly. To create a backup repository, use the following command. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.